Introducing the TransLite Plus Premium Welding Helmet by Jackson Safety. The TransLite Plus combines superior construction with top-notch functionality to deliver maximum comfort, safety, and satisfaction. Packed with state-of-the-art specs, the TransLite Plus features a proprietary external shade adjuster to deliver unsurpassed visual precision. And with the push of a button, users can transition from welding to grinding and back again, all without having to remove the hood. Our legendary 370 speed dial headgear combines a fine-tooth ratcheting adjuster knob with a rear swivel headband to provide proper weight distribution, eliminate pressure points, and deliver a personalized fit. Highlighted by its perfect optical clarity rating, the TransLite Plus delivers a crystal clear view of the work, while fast switching speeds minimize eye strain and fatigue. The next evolution of professional welding helmets is here. The TransLite Plus by Jackson Safety.